Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez from creatingwithali.com, and here I am showing you another quick and easy card for the Christmas. I know that the holiday season is soon approaching us, and I'm sure we'll need to get a lot of cards real soon. So I'm going to be using the Christmas pine stamp set for this card. This is not a brand new, this is actually in the annual catalog, but I still think that it just looks gorgeous and I love the sentiments and the fonts on this set. So let's get started with our card. As you can see, I have here a piece of real red, and this one is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, which is a quarter of a sheet of one of our regular cardstock. Then I have a piece of very vanilla, and this one is 3 1/2, I believe. Yes, 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, and this is gonna go here. Then I have a piece of the gorgeous Design Series paper, and this one is All Is Right Design Series paper, and this is out of the annual catalog. This one is 4 1/4 by 6. And I have two scraps, or actually strips, of very vanilla. I have very vanilla, and this is 3/4 of an inch by about 4 1/2. And then I have a piece of glimmer paper, gold glimmer paper, and this one is 4 by 3/4 of an inch as well. So let's get started. This is going to be another one of those really quick and easies. First thing, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and line up these two cards, and once I have them lined up like so, I'm going to go ahead and kind of do that just so that you know what I'm doing here. So I'm just lifting it up. I didn't want to score it because sometimes you have issues with scoring it, you know, for these type of cards. So I'm going to go ahead and put my adhesive, and I'm going to go back and then use my bone folder, and there you have it. You have here your card that is going to open like so. So now I'm just going to need to burnish all of these. Then here is where I'm going to be putting my sentiment in this. The paper itself is gorgeous, so I don't want to do much on this. I thought about doing some other things, but I didn't want to do it, and I might redo this one now doing something inside, but on this one I really wanted to make sure the paper stays the same, so or do not cover the paper. So then I'm gonna have the blessings, Christmas blessings, and I'm gonna be using my, oh, here it is, my pierce mat. Because this is a photopolymer, I always recommend to use a pierce mat underneath, so that you get a better transfer of your image. And I'm going to be using the sentiment. This is Christmas blessings, and I'm going to put it right in the center. Press firmly, but don't rock it. And there we go. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the punch, and I still don't remember the name of this one, but I'll put it in the name, the description of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and, actually I think I want it more like so, you know. Oh, goodness gracious, what is the deal? Something is stuck in it, you know. So anyway, we're going to do the regular way since something's going on with my punch. So anyway, so nothing wrong. I'll figure out what happened on that one, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the same. I'll figure out what happened to my punch in a second. I don't want to take the time on this camera on the camera right now, but we'll figure out. It's gonna be fixed, believe me. So I'm gonna have it right there, and well, and then I'm gonna have this one, because I was thinking to put it like so, because I just want a little bit of the sparkle, and yes, I think I like it just like that. I just want something really simple. Yes, just very simple. And be done with that. And you know what? It might be nice if we add a little bit of these using the Starburst punch. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I think it would be nice if I had something like that. Oh yeah, I think I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna just stack these things up. I'm gonna just put this one right here in the center. Then I'm gonna go ahead with that one and put it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right in the center, or a little on the top. There you go. And then this one will be with the dimensionals. Oh yes, I think I like that a lot. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this out of my, there we go. Here it is. And guys, this is supposed to be really quick and simple so that you can make multiples of these, you know. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bow out of the gold edge ribbon. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna cut. I always cut my ribbon out of this spool. That way I feel like I don't waste that much of the ribbon. And then I'm gonna put a glue dot and add this one right there. Okay, so this is how it looks, and so far I'm liking it. Now for the inside, I want to use the oh my goodness, the branch again, like the pint branch from this set, and I want to put them, I'm going to do once and twice. There you go. So it has that nice look. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the sentiment, and I'm going to go on this one with the early espresso, and this one is, let's see, it says, "May the simple joys of the seasons be yours." I mean, is that now really nice? And there is, oh, I ink my fingers. Let me just, yes, so if you don't know the chamois, also clean your fingers. So, okay. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and use the real red. And there's like a little, I don't know how to call this, like a garland thing. And I'm going to put it right here. And that's it for the inside. I mean, is that not awesome? I feel like when you stamp the inside of your car, it looks even more amazing. And so this one really will go really well, don't you think? And it goes really well with that. So I am loving it. I am loving it, loving it. Alright, so let's just go ahead and do that. And we're going to be putting it right in the center. So here you have it, guys. What do you think? So you have this one. When you open it up, you have that. You just need to sign it and you're done. So I'm telling you, this was made in what, less than 10 minutes. So you can do multiples of these. Again, this is my series of really quick and easy cards so that you can get ready for the holiday without so much of the stress. So thank you so much. Again, don't forget about visiting my blog at creatingwithali.com. Also, sign up for my email list where I send you tutorials and like this one, or information about my upcoming classes and whatnot. So anyways, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.